What a beautiful day it is today. I'm not in any winter coat. I am not in any gloves. I am just strolling along because let's go this side today. It's nice and sunny. It's nice and sunny. This is my lunch break, lunch walk. I hear birds. I'm hearing birds. So I'm taking a stroll outside. Look how nice and beautiful the day is. Look how nice and beautiful the day is, guys. Very beautiful. The kids playing games over there. Nice and beautiful. I'm gonna end up under that tent. What they have under there? Let's go and see. I have couple minutes left before I go back to lunch. Go back to work. So let's stroll. Guys, it's so beautiful. I don't have on any gloves, no jacket. Only work jacket, but no jacket. Look at the beautiful stadium. The kids are there. Some kids are there playing. Yeah. And if I must walk down that side. Let's turn this side. But it's so beautiful. I have to take a different walking today. So beautiful. Who is here? Strolling to nowhere. Strolling to outer space. It's a beautiful day, so I'm strolling. I'm just walking because the day is so beautiful. I didn't even put on my sneakers. I'm just walking. Yeah. So beautiful. Who else is on? I don't want no car come hit me down. So let's take the sidewalk. Right, guys, who are on? If that's not a proper question in English, but beautiful day, guys. Let me show you. Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. Tent is pitched. Students playing, but sun or shine, students always play them games. Yeah, but it's beautiful. Who else is on? Nobody not answer. Nobody else not answer me. Don't know who else is on, but yeah, let's keep walking until I hear walk no more, because it's a lunch hour walk. Not an hour, because I had my lunch first and then I'm taking a walk to wherever I can go in the less than. Oh, they're having softball or baseball. Seems like they're having baseball. Guys, can you hear the train? Here, listen. Listen keenly. Happy birthday, Noel. Teenation boss. Today is your birthday. I pray you'll enjoy it. Today you have a great day and many, many, many more blessed years. Looking forward to the live today. Yes. Happy birthday, Noel. So I'm strolling back because if I go out this road, you know, guys, main road. Let's go back. I feel afraid. Guys, so I go back. Wanna talk to me in the comment section now? Me soon on and me not soon not talk. I don't even know who is on. Nishon! Yes, girl, I'm walking out. It's a beautiful day. New York today is beautiful. After that eclipse, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Sun is out, see it? Sun so pretty. Pretty sunshine. Nice property. Nice property here, you know. Nice property. So I walk with my jacket on. I never need to walk with it. Because it's so nice on the outside. And we're going to have rain soon. So I said, you know what? Let's come and get some of the sunshine. Guys who are on, I see some people on in the nobody at all. No cold today. It's nice and sunny. Everybody's outside. So, all right, come guys. Let me carry down at the river. Which part is there? Oh, it's a farm they walk come. I go carry now. People out on the river picnicking because let me see if I can reach because soon time to go back. But people are picnicking. No, I'm not gonna make it today. One next day I take my full lunch time and Karen will go down at the river. Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna see what's going on down there. But that look like tomorrow because I heard it's gonna rain tomorrow. But people are all over, outside sitting, walking, strolling, dress up in a shorts, dress up in an altar back. Yeah, that's the day today. Spring is drawing near. Yeah. God, nobody bunks me down. Woo! The cart. Can you see it? Yeah. 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 That's mean. The weather is nice. Yeah. Weather nice, me I tell you, man. Sun hot, if any. Sun hot. And it actually look like me I get a little exercise because it feels like me almost I go sweat. Yeah. Whew. Yep. Beautiful sunshine. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine. Beautiful, beautiful. Everywhere is beautiful. For 11 days. Let me take a sat. I'll then something I can sit down on when it's cold. Because your bottom will freeze off. But it's so nice. You can sit on the outside now. So what am I going with? How was the eclipse? Who felt it? Who else feel the eclipse? Who saw it? I saw. We didn't get it fully. I saw a little of it, and the place never get dark, but it was cold. Yeah, it was cold. Cause remember the sun was covered, so all you were getting is darkness. So the place was a bit cold. Yeah, we didn't see it. Oh, you never get to see it. What that the on my mouth so long? A food? Um, yeah, I said hi. Yes. Um, yeah, we get with glasses and we look up and you could see it. The sun was like on this side, you got rain instead. On this side, it was quarter. It wasn't fully covered over this side. But you have some place it was dark. People were all excited. People camp out. People take days from work. Yeah. People take them day off, go watch eclipse with them kids, with them family. Cause them say it now happen again till the next 50 or 20 odd years. Yeah, so people take off and go watch it. Which was nice. Yeah. Cause like something like that now, for it not to come around again till much in the years. It's nice to take your family to see it. Some children were all excited. Like the place I'm not really see it properly. We get the darkness and stuff. They were excited. Woo, what a squirrel. My little friend. I can't see it. I can't see it. Oh. I can't see it. I can't see the little squirrel. I'm gone. I'm gone, 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 gone. You want to experience it? Yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad thing to experience. It's nature, and it's a good experience when you can look up and see the difference of what the world is about and what exists. Some of the things that wanna come often. When you see it, hi, you are excited about it. Yeah, it's a good thing. Nishan, share the live. Oh, you wanna talk with the rest of people them and them just listen to me? Okay. Then I ask me a question. Yeah, but yeah, it's a good day. My foot are burn up in the sun. Yeah. I did my fair share of walking in my work shoes on campus already. I should have been in my sneakers. She look hot. She look hot. Yeah. So me I watch the people them. Yeah. But guys, if you're on the live and you're not a subscriber, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Come back again. Touch that notification so that you will know as soon as I go live, you will be here with me. Okay, so guys, remember, as I said, if you know Noel, T-Nation boss, today is his birthday. Go and show him some love on his live, or tonight you can go on the show and show him some love. Yeah, very humble, self-sacrifice, humanitarian. Yeah, doing so much for his community and parish. So go and support him. Yeah, real good youth. Happy birthday again, Noel. Happy birthday. May God continue to bless and keep you so that you will do many good deeds, many more good deeds for people who are in need. All right? Yep. Oh, nobody else not talk to me. I'm going to Nishan one. I have so much people on the live. Guys, type and ask me a question before I leave because I'm soon gone in. Yeah. So, beautiful, nice, sunny day. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hi. If them a pause must say, oh, what should I do? I take picture? Me not take picture, me a pose. I am posing. Yeah. Jesus, the sun hot on my foot, you see? It's so hot. Mm-hmm. I am posing. Let me see if I can do an expose so that I can take my picture. Oh, it goes. Some people can take picture with this, you know, so that we can put it as it go. And we can take the picture so that we can use it as well. I'm a screenshot. Mm-hmm. Finally get that screenshot. But the screenshot have all the comments, so I can't get it. Nishan, take it and send it. Come give me. Ooh. Screenshot, Nishan. Ugly. Like up the live, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, I'm gonna go in because my lunch hour is approach finishing. Them have food. They have free food somewhere. Woo. Never get the free food memo. Anyways, we just eat lunch. I'm tummy full. If you don't want to walk, you just up onto one of those scooter. Pure belly skin out today, you know, guys. Belly skin. It's the belly skin day. It's summer clothes day. Summer clothes day. Oops. So guys, if you are not a subscriber, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be aware when I go live. Okay. So I'm gonna go to my desk. It's 4 minutes to lunchtime. To pass lunchtime. So for all those who are just coming in, remember to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and turn on notifications so that you are notified when I go live. Remember to watch my videos, guys. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next live or on my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Peace out. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Bye, Nishan.